What's going on, everyone? My name's Obi and welcome back to Courtside Financial. Today we're going to be talking about NIO and SINOPEC. If you're new to the channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any videos. And also make sure you hit that like button because it really does go a long way in helping out the channel. Lastly, if you want to be a part of the Courtside Financial Discord and be a part of these conversations before they happen here on YouTube, make sure you click the link in the description to join for free. When you open up your new brokerage account, you'll receive one free stock valued anywhere from $2.50 to $250. And when you make that initial deposit of $100 or more, you'll receive another free stock, and this free stock will be valued anywhere from $8 to $1,600. Lastly, cryptocurrency is now available on WeBull, so you can trade cryptocurrency on the platform with zero commission. So as I mentioned, today we're going to be talking about NIO. It's currently 7:06 p.m. Eastern Time here in Michigan, and the stock is trading at $41.75. It is down 0.07% for the day and up 1.04% in the after hours. So there's been a lot of hype these past few weeks as people are in anticipation of a collaboration between NIO and SINOPEC, one of China's fossil fuel giants. The chairman of SINOPEC visited a battery swapping station recently in February, and CEO William Li recently visited SINOPEC in February. There's even stuff popping up on WeBull and noise coming from the street of a collaboration that's expected to happen on April 15th or be formally announced on April 15th. And here's actually an image from WeBull, and here's what it says. Cool to announce a strategic cooperation with SINOPEC. The replacement station will be officially open at the Beijing SINOPEC refueling station on April 15th. Now the translation was a little wonky, but you get the idea. This user posted that there was an announced collaboration between these two parties, NIO and SINOPEC, on April 15th. So do I think the NIO and SINOPEC collab is a for sure thing? That's a question that I'll definitely answer by the end of this video, but first let me talk about what I think it could mean to determine if we should even care about this, if it even happens or doesn't happen. So SINOPEC is one of the top 5 oil companies in China, and they have over 30,000 gas stations. Now NIO, on the other hand, is a niche automaker. We have 191 battery swapping stations as of their Q4 earnings report. Guidance was given by the end of 2021 for 500 battery swapping stations to be out there. And then eventually William Li did say that they want to get to 1,000 battery swapping stations. So now if NIO and SINOPEC collab, it appears that they will be placing battery swapping stations at SINOPEC's gas stations. So NIO eventually wants to increase the number of battery swapping stations they have by 400%. That's a big thing to do. You know, as I mentioned, they're at 191, let's just round up, call that 200, and they eventually want to get to 1,000 battery swapping stations. So we can start with location. So far, NIO has placed their battery swapping stations at high traffic locations, and obviously a gas station is a high traffic location. So SINOPEC probably has prime locations for NIO to place their battery swapping stations. So of course NIO is a premium brand, and SINOPEC has a lot of their gas stations in premium locations. So you got to really think about this. NIO is not just putting their battery swapping stations anywhere. NIO's known as the R&D king for a reason. So when you think about NIO's target market, this would be good for brand presence and advertising as well. So now if we're thinking about this short term, what does SINOPEC get? Whether that be rent on those swapping stations, or whether that be some type of revenue split on the swapping stations that are on their properties. And with that, I'm sure NIO would be getting a good deal from SINOPEC. It's a win-win for both parties because we already know that China is looking to get rid of gas cars. So to bounce off of that idea and think a little bit more long-term, a company like SINOPEC probably has to pivot eventually, right? And so if NIO gets their foot in the door early with SINOPEC, maybe further down the line, they could be their supplier and enable them to sell energy back to their customers. It's not far-fetched in my opinion. NIO has been releasing very good charging technology. The charging piles have been improving. They do give us updates on this. And William Li has also said that the charging stations that NIO has already is profitable. So why would a company like SINOPEC go and try to reinvent the wheel when NIO Power is already doing that? You already have the relationship with NIO, and you know that if you want to stay in business, you have to pivot away from just selling gas to selling clean energy. So this strategic partnership would have a lot of potential in my opinion. Potential to solve problems like location, which pertains to NIO, and then potential to solve problems that are bigger than just NIO, which is infrastructure. China needs charging infrastructure. So to answer the question I posed earlier, I think it's only a matter of time until we get a formal confirmation, but I think that this is going to be a done deal. So anyways, that's going to be it for this video. I hope this video was helpful for you guys. Make sure you hit the like button. Make sure you hit the subscribe button. Leave me a comment down below. I want to know what you guys think. And as always, thanks for watching. I'll catch you guys in the next video.